So day 3 of our photo shoot here in Shropshire, and today we're going to cover the Höfats Cone. So this is their most expensive item they produce. It's full on stainless steel with a black powder coat finish. This is a professional charcoal barbecue, so if you're into your cooking, this is a baby you want. It has all the bells and whistles, and it's really cool. So to start with, we have 3-position lid. So as it is closed, we've got it on as full cooker. So inside you can cook anything that you do in a normal oven. You've got a built-in thermometer, so you can monitor the temperature and keep an eye on what's cooking so you don't burn it. We have the 2nd position, which covers the warming grid inside, and then we have the 3rd position, which is fully open. So once in the fully open position, you get access to the whole thing. So we have a stainless steel warming grill, which can be removed, and we have 2 cooking grills, which are both semicircular. Again, these can be removed. Well, the best feature about this, and the thing that sets it apart from any other charcoal barbecue, is the fact that it was the first one that was produced where you can actually regulate the heat. So in here on the side of the bowl, you've got a handle. This lifts up and pulls down the tray with the charcoal on it. So as it is at the minute, it's in its highest position nearest the grill. So basically you have charcoal right under the grill. You've got a massive great amount of air circulating around it, so the heat is at its highest. As you move it down, the grill obviously moves away from the cooking grills, and also the circular distance around the outside of it is shrinking because of the cone shape. So at the bottom position, you have virtually no air coming through. So the charcoal is probably 15 centimeters below the cooking grill, so you're at your minimum heat. So with the cone, you have the option of 3 different accessories. So the first of these is the cone board. So this is designed to sit on the edge of the cone. So in here we have brackets which allow you to put them over here, and the cone then has the board sitting on the edge. You can actually put 2 of these on if you wanted, so you can have one on either side, but it gives you a lot of flexibility to prepare meals, put stuff on for when you're doing your cooking. The second of our accessories for the cone is the cone health grid. Now the reason they call this the cone health grid is because it's so goddamn heavy that it really builds up your arm muscles. Inside of it we've got 2 really substantial cast iron plates. So here we have the cone with the health grid on, as you can see. So you've got the cast iron plates on top of the stainless steel drip tray, so any meat, fluids or anything will catch in the bottom here. They don't actually fall into the tray below. If you wish, you can take these off, so you can actually just use the plates without the drip trays underneath as such, so very easily clip apart as such. So obviously if you want to do it, you can just do it like so. But obviously they're designed to fit with these. So an alternative to using the normal grills. The final accessory for the cone is the cover. So this is quite a clever idea. So it's a water resistant cover that's produced with the zip and 2 carrying handles on the side. So it actually fits over the top of the cone. You zip it down. You can then carry the cone with the case. So it's designed so that you can lift it up and lug it around. So very simple idea. Climbing ropes for added strength. So here we have the cone with the cover on. So as you can see, it's designed so that you can pick it up by the two handles and move it around if you wish to.